Avalanche value equivalent to 995.44 rands a coin. The present cost range 968.41 as and the earlier day close 1036.41. The change was 40.97, 3.95%. Opposite rate ZAR to Avax. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 1,545 rands. Exorbitant cost 1917, while low cost 1,545. They found the middle value of cost 1,700. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1,792, change for July 16%. Avalanche gauge for August 2024. In the first place cost at 1,792 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.25, while low cost 1,792. They found the middle value of cost 1972. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 2079, change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place cost at 2079 rands. Excessive cost 2,581, while low cost 2079. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2288. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 2412, change for September 16%. Avalanche conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 2412 rands. Excessive cost 2412, while low cost 2080. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2285. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 2037, change for October 73%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 2237 rands. Excessive cost 2432, while low cost 2114. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2264. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 2273, change for November 16%. Avalanche figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 2273 rands. Excessive cost 2873, while low cost 1975. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2061. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 2824, change for December 6%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 2124 rands. Exorbitant cost 2024, while low cost 1,734. They found the middle value of cost 1962. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1,865, change for January 2%. Avalanche estimate for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 1,865 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,865, while low cost 1,545. They found the middle value of cost 1,734. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1,661, change for February 10.9%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 1,661 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,763, while low cost 1,533. They found the middle value of cost 1,651. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1,648, change for Springs 8%. Avalanche gauge for April 2025. To start with cost at 1,648 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,776, while low cost 1,544. They found the middle value of cost 1,657. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1,660, change for April 0.7%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else cost at 1,660 rands. Excessive cost 1,660, while low cost 1,410. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,562. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1,516, change for May 7%. Avalanche figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at 1,516 rands. Excessive cost 1,882, while low cost 1,516. They found the middle value of cost 1,668. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1,759, change for June 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 1,759 rands. Exorbitant cost 1912, while low cost 1,662. They found the middle value of cost 1,780. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1,787, change for July 16%. Avalanche estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 1,787 rands. Exorbitant cost 1943, while low cost 1,689. They found the middle value of cost 1,809. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1T8 at 16, change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 1,816 rands. Exorbitant cost 2,200, while low cost 1T816. They found the middle value of cost 1972. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 2056, change for September 13.2%. Avalanche gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 2056 rands. Exorbitant cost 2098, while low cost 1,824. They found the middle value of cost 1985. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1961, change for October 4.6%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 1961 rands. Exorbitant cost 2,131, while low cost 1,853. They found the middle value of cost 1984. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1992, change for November 1.6%. Avalanche gauge for December 2025. To start with, cost at 1992 rands. Exorbitant cost 2,473, while low cost 1992. They found the middle value of cost 2,192. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 2,311, change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 2,311 rands. Exorbitant cost 2,512, while low cost 2,184. They found the middle value of cost 2,339. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 2,348, change for January 1.6%. Avalanche estimate for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at 2,348 rands. Exorbitant cost 2,553, while low cost 2,219. They found the middle value of cost 2,377. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 2,386, change for February 1.6%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 2,386 rands. Exorbitant cost 2,594, while low cost 2,254. They found the middle value of cost 2,415. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 24/24, change for spring 1.6%. Avalanche gauge for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 24/24 rands. Exorbitant cost 2,693, while low cost 2,341. They found the middle value of cost 2,494. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 2,517, change for April 3.8%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at 2,517 rands. Exorbitant cost 3,124, while low cost 25.